Viewers, you are welcome to today's math class. So let's solve this limit problem. So how do we go about this? We are now going to be using a hospital rule here. So now I want us to know that we can raise both sides to everything to the power of 10 by saying limit s tends to 0. We have sine into bracket 2 multiplied by sine 3x raised to the power of 10 here, all over x raised to the power of 10, and everything here raised to the power of 10. Can you see? Wow. So now please don't mind this thing at all. Here now we can just say that I want what is inside this bracket to be in this form, whereby we have limit theta tends to 0 sine theta divided by theta. You know that this property says that this is equals to 1. So now we are going to solve it in this form. How do we do that? We have into bracket limit s tends to 0. We have sine into bracket 2 sine raised to the power of 10 3x, all divided by 2 sine raised to the power of s 3x. So we have multiplied by 2 sine 3x raised to the power of 10 also, and divided by what's in the denominator, which is x raised to the power of 10, and everything here raised to the power of 10. So now using this property here, we have this to be equals to 1. So we are left with limit s tends to 0. We have 2 sine 3x raised to the power of 10 divided by x raised to the power of 10. So now the product of a limit is the limit of the product. So we can just say that we can bring these two out. Don't forget this 2 is raised to the power of 10. So we just say 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by limit s tends to 0. And we have sine 3x raised to the power of 10 divided by x raised to the power of 10. Everything here is to the power of 10. So here now you can see that this also is raised to the power of 10. So how do we solve that? We just raise everything to the power of 10. So we have 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by limit x tends to 0. So we are left with sine 3x divided by x, and everything 10 times 10, that's 100. Everything raised to the power of 100. Next step, I want us to use this property, the property I stated the other time, limit theta tends to 0, whereby we have sine theta divided by theta, but here now we are dealing with x. So I want what is inside this bracket to be in the denominator too. So we can just rewrite this by saying 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by, so multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So we have limit s tends to 0, whereby we have 3 multiplied by sine 3x into bracket divided by 3x. Don't forget everything here is raised to the power of 100. So now bring this 3 here. We have 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 100 multiplied by the limit of s tends to 0 sine 3x divided by 3x. So I will know that from this property this is equals to 1. So we have 2 raised to the power of 10. Don't forget this also will be raised to the power of 100. So we have 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 100 multiplied by 1 raised to the power of 100. So 1 raised to the power of 100 is 100. So our final answer is 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 100. So you can punch this in your calculator, but I know that the number is big. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.